Good morning on this beautiful, gorgeous October morning. I'm living off grid. Why would anybody want to do that? This is the view out my front door. And here's my lake. It's a gorgeous day for this time of year. We've had no snow. North of us, they've had snow. But I'm going to do some stuff around the house today. But I thought before I start my day, I'd come out here and take a look at God's nature. And just take a look at the beauty of the lake on this October morning. From the house, I thought to myself, is there a little bit of ice out here? Because it was so calm. Oh, we got some ice in here. Yep, there you go. It's that time of year. Gotta put that paddle boat away just so it doesn't freeze and crack. But there we are. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. And let me tell you, there are so many advantages to living off grid. And that's our homestead right there. We got the wood stove going, getting the house warmed up. And up here in Canada, it can get cold some mornings. But for now, it's just an absolutely gorgeous day coming. There's the sun trying to peek through the clouds. Follow along with my channel and watch as I work away and build my homesteading. We've got lots of projects ahead, and follow along and join me. Have a great day. We'll talk to you in the next video.